Morning, it's the 9th of November, my wife's birthday, so happy birthday, Nikki. I won't tell you how old she is because she likes to forget, she's trying to forget. So yeah, time's ticking. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be 5 minutes since we were kids. We've been married about, I don't know, 24 or 5 years, so yeah. Anyway, that's by the by. So we're just in the cover crop. No, we're in the rape field. Just having a bit of an update. White radish, absolutely pleased. Chuffed to bits with how the white radish has come. Really have. It's massive, dense crop, and the bulb underneath is huge. I don't like pulling them up, but look at the bulb here. You see that bulb? I know it's quite like that. Look at that. And they eat them, and I can't understand why we don't eat these at white radish, because the Asian people love them. You know, they're in all supermarkets. In fact, when I'll put him in, he might regrow. When we were in Italy, white radish was in the greengrocers shops there. So why we don't eat them, I don't know, because they're very easy to grow. So watch this space. Stubble turnips have taken. White radish is brilliant. The stubble turnips is good. I mean, not enough plants, they get hammered by flea beetle. But this forage rape, I mean, what have grown are huge, proving that they do what it says on the can. They do provide a lot of forage, but getting them there, I don't know. Flea beetles absolutely decimated them. And next door, same again. This is just the cash crop oilseed rape. These three we're growing for a bit of seed, but this is just the cash crop. And yes, it is a bit thin in places, but there is a crop. And my initial, if you'd asked me 6 weeks ago, I'd have said we'd been knocking it up in spring. But I don't know where it's come from, but it's come, and I'm very, very pleased. So that's my rape update. But white radish, fantastic. Yeah, what a crop. And if I can get, well, I would like to say I'd get 200 kilo of seed off that. No, that's maybe exaggerating. If I can get off that strip 100 kilo, 150 kilo of seed, that'll, because I think that's got a place in most cover crop situations. Whether it'll grow as good as new seed, I can't see why not. But yeah, very pleased with that. So right, I've just heard blower wagging turn up, and he's blowing into our new bin, so there might be pig meal going all over, we'll see. Come round the corner, and so far so good. There's not like pellets shooting out sides or anything, so well, it should be fine. I mean, it's a good bin. Yeah, job's good. As long as it runs out bottom for feeders, we'll see. We'll just start it. This feeder system, it's got like a coil, like a pigtail coil from the bin to that motor. And it just draws feed down steadily, only very slow, and it's on a sensor at this end, this thing here, and as this thing, you touch it, if you watch, it stops the motor. Oh god, oh, it started again. Let's see if there's any coming out of the bin. They're very noisy, these pigs, this morning. I don't know why. Yeah, you see, it's coming out. It doesn't come out. It only comes out at that pace. It just steadily keeps filling up all day long. So yeah, it'll fill this one, and then it'll go on to the next pipe, and then finish at the end where the sensor is, and it'll stop. So yeah, job's good. Now we try to keep these covered because I'll have a lot of problems with starlings. a ton. Beautiful stuff. It's real sweet smelling. Very expensive. Just got this stuff off a mate of ours, good friend of ours, and he buys it in bulk and gets it at a right price. What it's like, I don't know. It's not as sweet as molasses, but it's just to make this dry barley more palatable. It smells quite nice actually. It's a byproduct from whiskey distilling. This little mixer we've had quite a long while. It's only an 8 cube. We've got another one actually, but it's been a hell of a little thing. It's about to make some stuff. Don't use it that often, but yeah, anybody interested at Little Keenan, give us a shout, because to be fair, there's a little bit of an hole in the back what wants sorting out. It's been relined, and yeah, it's rating up like. It's only an 8 cube though, there's no way. The weigh's missing, and that strap's just there to hold the guard from rattling. So yeah, 400 quid. Give us a shout. Steady, big fella. Hey, hey. There you go. Very nice. Yeah. Just bringing them a tiny bit of barley. To be fair, it's not really for food value, it's for the we're training them just to follow bag, and Christ almighty, they follow bag all right. I don't know whether I'm going to be back at pickup with bag when we take them anywhere, because big fella gets a bit excited and gets a bit I don't know, rammy, if that's the right word. But you lot aren't big fans of warning, are you? And I sort of tend to agree with you. You know, I criticism, everybody's got their opinion, but it was a lovely looking thing when we bought it. And now I don't know. Let me just get my stick. I don't know, but someone's telling me, don't worry about it, Dovey. He's in teenage stage, you know, where they're a bit ganglion. They're a bit ganglion, sort of misshapen before they find their muscle. So that's what stage he's in. So whether he thickens out this winter, he's a fair size though. I mean, he's not like the stumpy bloody traditional Hereford. So yeah, I'm not to worry about. But yeah, he's not as good as I thought he was going to turn out to be. But yeah. But cows are in fact marvellous form. And grass is standing up well, because it's been a fair bit of rain, but it's quite high sand this, but Just want to move these troughs so we don't damage this grass anymore where they're paddling. Just move there. The damage is done where their straw trough is, but they're getting a bale of straw about twice a week, just for a bit of fibre in their diet. I've ordered some minerals for their last month. They're coming this week with everything they need to sort of finish that calf off, and so the calf's born healthy. You talk to her like a nutritionist fella, and he advised us to get these. And a couple of mates of mine what are using them. Hey big fella, go on. I won't trust him 100%. I like to keep my eye on him. Go on. Yeah, teenage stage is in, without the spots. Right, see you later ladies. Another job done. Hello. Follow your bloody, I reckon I could walk these down the road. When we go down there, look. He ain't a bad thing. He ain't the bonniest of things in his head though, but anyway. These are some sheep my dad's bought. They were right money to be honest, but they aren't very big, as though they don't look like they've got a lot of growth in them, but time will tell with that one. As long as we can fill their bones with meat.